First step, open YouTube. With your YouTube open, click on this plus button right in the middle bottom of the screen. Now click on create a short if you want, or upload a video, which is the thing I will teach today. When you click on upload a video, you will open your gallery. Now search for the video you want to upload. For example, I will upload this video right here, so I click on it. Now I click on next. Now your video is already uploading to the YouTube server. To change the thumbnail, just go to this button right here. I will add an example photo just to show how it is. You can add your thumbnail, like drag it or zoom in, and when it's done, click on Done. You can create a title. You can add a description. You can change the visibility. You can change the location of the video. And you can add the video to one of your playlists. Clicking here, you can allow or don't allow the remixing of your video. Here, you can change the comments configuration. And when you're done, just click on Next. Now you select the audience. My video is not made for kids, so I will click here. If your video has any age restriction or explicit content, click here and select Yes, restrict my video to viewers over 18. It's not my case, so I just go here. Now I click on Upload Video. Now go to Your Videos, and here you can see the upload process. Upload videos on YouTube can be a hard and difficult task, so on this video, I had taught you how to do this. Follow our channel for more news about YouTube apps and many other stuff. Bye!